I don't know if anybody else has this problem, but one problem I have when I'm using expensive art supplies is that in the back of my mind, I'm just constantly thinking about how expensive it is, so it makes it more difficult to fully express myself in the artwork I make, because I'm more worried about making mistakes or wasting the art supply. Whereas if I'm using something like this fine point Sharpie or a ballpoint pen, I don't worry as much about if I make a mistake or anything like that. I'm gonna just start over, start a new sheet of paper and work on that. And the paper I use, I buy in bulk. It's cardstock index paper, and I believe it's 100 pound weight, and I get 500 sheets of paper for about $15. So it's fairly cheap, pretty good quality, very thick paper. And they don't seem to work at all for watercolor. They're very good for marker, ink, pen, and I've just been using those. I buy them in bulk, and I save all of my drawings I put into a binder, put those together. I have sketchbooks I've bought, but I still prefer using this because with a sketchbook, if I make a mistake in a page that I don't want, if I remove that page, I feel like I'm taking a part of the sketchbook out. So in a way, it makes me feel like I'm kind of ruining the sketchbook, but everybody's got their preferences. And this drawing here, I want to do something a little bit different because I woke up today with a lot of energy. I want to try something different because the last drawing I did had a lot of shading. So just want to do a lot of line work and just practice with some different lines and shapes. But I hope everyone's doing well, and have a good day. Thank you.